happening, my lovely, wonderful people? Edo Assembly directs CJ to set up panel to probe allegations against Philip Shaibu. Philip Shaibu is currently in the eye of the storm, and everybody is watching very carefully to see how, these things are going to play out. He has been serving with Governor Gordon Obaseki. There have been no misappropriation of funds, and other things that could be bordering around what normally we hear about politicians, misuse of office, power, and all that stuff. But rather, what we are hearing about him is centered around, we hearing that he did not quite, he did not do what he should do. He leaked, according to what we are hearing, government secrets. They did not tell us what those secrets really are. The secret was not really told. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. A resolution directing the Chief Judge of Edo State Justice Daniel to set up a 7-man committee to investigate the allegation of gross misconduct levied against the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu, has passed by the State House of Assembly on Tuesday, March the 19th. 19 out of 24 members of the House voted in favor of this resolution. Earlier, the Speaker Blessing has notified the House that the 7-day ultimatum granted the Deputy Governor to respond to the impeachment notice served on him has expired. Blessing said the impeachment notice was served on the Deputy Governor on March the 6th, 2024, but due to alleged illusion of service, the House ordered that he be served through subsequent means. He said the substituted service was published to the House-owned newspaper, The Observer, and the Vanguard newspaper on March the 12th, 2024. Since he could not get the message, the notice, according to him, expired on March the 19th. In a motion, Major Leader Charity moved that the Chief Justice be directed to set up a 7-man committee to investigate the allegations levied against the Deputy Governor. Blessing arrived at the motion was in line with Section 188, subsection 3 and 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He noted that failure of the Deputy Governor to respond to the petition will stipulate within the stipulated time was a problem as against Section 188, subsection 3 clearly stated that whether he responds or not, the House has a duty to perform and carry out what they have served on him. The deputy was briefed according to Section 188, subsection 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that a motion be moved when it will be resolved that if these allegations are not denied, they are worthy of investigation. I am therefore moving a motion in pursuit of Section 188, subsection 3 and 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that a designated to be argued about dates be served. This notice served on the Deputy Governor alleging gross misconduct be sent for investigation, and the Speaker caused the Chief Justice of the state to set up a 7-man panel committee to look into the allegations and report its findings to the House as soon as possible, he said. The vote of 19 members in support of this motion, which was more than 2/3 members of the House, has given rise to this. The Speaker subsequently directed the Chief Judge to set up a 7-man committee to investigate the petition against the Deputy Governor. So this is what is happening right about now, my people. every single individual can see that Philip Shaibu is really sincerely, truly in the eye of the storm. We are waiting patiently to see how all of this will play out. Himself and Obaseki fell into a row when he insisted that he must become the governor. Obaseki said, no, you have served. Obaseki started noticing some funny things when Oshomole won, as a senator. He noticed that Philip Shaibu, was now moving without, direction in terms of, according to Philip Shaibu, Obaseki wants his enemies to be your enemies. That's Philip Shaibu. And because he was in line with Oshomole, the governor was not happy about it. Hence, the whole matter that we are seeing play out. Anyway, George has been given direction to look into what is going on in Edo State, to, give a direction in terms of how Philip Shaibu's matter will thoroughly be investigated. So, guys, what do you think? These are some of the things sincerely truly happening, and it has become, a matter of very serious concern, because Philip Shaibu now, is not having opportunity to become the deputy governor or the governor, because in the first place he's not even participating in the election. His name is not on the ballot box. Igodalo's name is the name that has been sent to INEC. So it's now more trouble for him. And before now, there was no allocation to the deputy governor's office, because according to Obaseki, said the deputy governor will be busy with election, so there is no need to involve him with state matters. So these are some of the things that are happening, and Philip Shaibu is currently definitely the eye of the storm. What do you think, Nigerians? This is what is happening in Nigeria today. You can see that people take opportunity to do whatever they think they want to do, and Philip Shaibu currently has seen himself going through a lot, and every single person can see that it's about time we rise up to the occasion and do what is needed, necessary to change the course of what is happening. I believe that Philip Shaibu will be asking himself, if I had known, probably I would have been quiet, or, he said he had a point to prove, and we know that he has proved it. At the end of the day, here we are. The matter is now going to the, Obaseki is ready to deal with him left, right, and center, if you ask me. So leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.